a protractor. Right, can you get your protractors, please? Alright, I'll show you how to use this one properly. Right. In this question here, we need to describe the transformation. So first of all, the transformation, what type of transformation is it, Harun?
That's anti-clockwise 90-degree rotation.
So we're going to say the key word first of all is, so the transformation is a rotation. 1 mark for that in examination for saying the rotation. You said lots of things in there, so we can go through them slowly. So rotation, now if you look at the arrow, in rotation the direction is important. So Harun mentioned it's an anti-clockwise. Nothing to do with your auntie from those of you. Okay, so A, C, W will also do as a shorthand, or you can write it in full. Okay, can you just tell me if it's not coming bright? Not too bright. A, C, W. I don't know what's happening, the light's going crazy at the moment. Okay, the light's going. Right. Okay, so this is a rotation, anti-clockwise, because it's going in the opposite direction of the clock. Now you've got to give it the angle. Okay, what is the angle of rotation? So we use our protractor. Can we measure the angle, please, folks, everybody?
It's about 90 degrees.
Yeah, you think it's about 90, don't you? It's not 90, though.
You make the line bigger.
Okay, you need to make one of the lines bigger. So I'm going to make this line bigger so I can measure it properly. So Harun, what kind of angle are you getting on yours, Harun? I'm measuring using the outside, and I'm getting approximately
21.
Okay, I'm getting about 79 or 78, 79.
78.
Yeah, 78, 79 on the outer scale. So Harun, look here. This line here should be measuring the outside from here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, not that way. It's important that you use your protractor properly. That's another common student mistake. Is you say you happy with that? Yeah. That joke really wasn't that useful, students.
76.
What is that? Still joking about me. So I'm getting approximately 78, 79 degrees. So I'm going to say rotation anti-clockwise 79 degrees and about. So where is the center of rotation in this question? It's bang in the middle of the axis. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. So we say it's about, either we write down 0, 0, or we can say it's about the origin. So we need to put all that information down. Rotation anti-clockwise 79 degrees, about 0, 0. So we're going to put the angle in as well. Okay, are we happy with that so far? Yeah? Good. Right, let's move on to the next question. Right, the next question here. That looks much better. Oh, yummy. Okay, right. Our original shape is shape.
A.
The one label, yes.
Don't get it.
Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay, here's the next shape. I'm going to try to go through the first one again. Yeah, make tracks go. Okay. Ifra, are we still? Time is okay. 40 minutes. Okay, here's our original shape, A. This corner A goes from here to which way? To here. Right. First of all, which direction has it moved from there to there the quickest way? It is that direction. So we're going to say for this question here that this question is a... How big is the question? So we say this question is a rotation. Okay, right. Which direction is the rotation in? Starting here, this way, and going that way, the shape. Anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. And how many degrees is that? We don't even need to measure that one. That one is definitely 90. So anti-clockwise, 90 degrees. Oops. Just like 90, right? 90 degrees. About. Now, where is the center of enlargement for this, the center of rotation for this shape? That's the origin here. So it's -1, then -1, -2. About -1, comma, -2. So it's a rotation, it's anti-clockwise, 90 degrees, and it's about -1, -2. Okay, are we happy with those two?
Yeah.
Okay, are you guys ready to do the next two?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody have a go at the next two now. Start with this one first. So measure the angle. The arrow on the angle indicates which direction is going in. So what do we say for this one? This one is a
Rotation clockwise.
rotation, and it's a clockwise. It's a clockwise rotation. Okay, rotation clockwise, 45 degrees. Or we just say 45 degrees clockwise. 45 degrees clockwise, about. Where is it about? So now you look at the dark lines here. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 0. Rotation 45 degrees clockwise, about 30. That one's done. The next one's a bit more interesting. Remember, here's the origin. Now, if you want to measure this big angle here, we've only got 180 degrees protractors. What do we do instead to make it easy? Measure the inside one instead to help us. Make one of your lines longer. Okay, ladies, settle down. Measure the angle now on the inside instead, using the outer scale. You must use your protractor properly. 55. Okay, I'm getting the inside angle to be about 120. 126. About 126. This is the one here. This angle is about 126. So to work out the outside, what do we do? 360 minus 126. So 360 minus 120 will give us 240. 240 take away 6 is?
So isn't it 234? 234?
Yeah. So the actual angle is 234, 250, 60, yeah. Is this, are you happy with the way I've done that one?
Yeah.
I measured the inside one instead of minus it. So for this question here, what are we going to say? Where are we? Okay. We're going to say this is the rotation. It's 234 degrees in which direction? Clockwise. You can either write them, you can either say clockwise 234 degrees or write that particular matter doesn't matter. You write those two. And it's about. Now where is it about? The center of rotation. So that's the origin. So it's going to be 1 across and then 1 down. So it'll be 1 minus 1. Okay, let's quickly move on. Has everybody got that?
Yeah.
Yeah? How are you happy with that one?
Yeah,
Yeah, good stuff? Yeah? Okay, now here comes the bit more exciting ones. Can we turn to this page, please? I think I might need to make this one a bit smaller. Whoa, that was big. I think my logic has made it clearer. Is that clearer now? More clear than before? Less.
So what, we page back or?
I don't know which page that is. You just find that question, find it.
I'll find it. Page back.
Okay, go describe fully the single transformation that maps shape P onto shape Q. P onto Q. So we can see there's been an obvious what? There's been an obvious rotation. So we can say first one on the bottom. I don't know if you can see them. I'll have to write mine on the top. I'll write it on here. It's the rotation. Okay, now it's gone from here, this way here, to this way. So we can see the angle already. What's the angle going to be then? 90 degrees. We don't even need to measure that one. You just see from the bottom. So rotation, 90 degrees. It's gone from P to Q. So which direction is that then?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. About. That's the point we've got to work at now. I think I've gone off a bit. I'll put that away. Okay. Right. What we need to do first of all, we need to join up corresponding points. Okay, now. Okay, does this point, folks, where does this point correspond to on the image onto Q? P is original. That point is where?
Over there.
At 3. Excellent. Can you join them up, please, with the line? Can you join the corresponding points to the line? Now, can you measure the distance between that point and that point? Is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. What's half of 4? 2. So can you come 2 along here and draw a line straight down? So that's what we do. We're basically bisecting the line, angle bisect. We're doing like a perpendicular bisector. So we've done 4 across there. And I've got my lines here, by the way. I don't know whether you can see it or not.
No.
Okay, let me see if I do a different color. Green. Can you see now?
Yeah.
So that's the bisector of that red line there. Now, what we need to do now, next is we need to find 2 other corresponding points. So let's choose this one and this one. Can you join them up now, please? Okay, now, that one to find the midpoint, how do we find the midpoint of that one? Okay, now how many is across? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So half of 5 is?
2.5.
2.5. So 1, 2.5 is roughly around about there. Now what is the height?
3 up.
1, 2. And what's half of 3?
1.5.
1.5. So where they both join. Which is round about there. Okay, that's roughly half. That's roughly there. Okay, if we do the angle, can we do a 90 degrees on that one as well, please, now? Okay, now, what is the quickest way to do 90 degrees, a line from that line there at that point? What do we do? Watch this now. Watch my protractor. You know where the point is? Put your point there, like that. And where the 90 comes off. Can you see the 90 here? That's the perpendicular. Put a mark here. I'm going to change to a blue color now. And I'm going to join the dot with that line. That should go, inshallah, through that point, which is the center. So where do they both cross? 1, 1. Center enlargement is? Because this is the part where it's a bit different. What did we do with the corresponding points? We joined them up and then we found the middle and work at the perpendicular bisector, yeah? We've done that. Okay? And once we got the green line for the first line and then the blue line for the second one, they both cross here at 1, 1. Should we check that that's the right point?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, this is how we check. Darkers. This one. Darkers. A bit darker. Okay. Are we still recording?
4 minutes.
4 minutes. Okay, I'm actually going to that's that question a bit. Right, what I'm going to try to do here, I call this the rod method. We need to join the closest point of the shape to
The closest.
yeah, and then join the same point.
That's 90 degrees, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the hit of a 90 degree angle.
Now we're going to use our tracing paper to check it. Okay, now when you use your tracing paper, folks, can we use a nice corner so we're not wasting any tracing paper? Watch how I'm doing mine. Folks, can you see my tracing paper? Watch my tracing paper. I'll put it in the corner. You can't see there, can you? Up here. Let's have a look. Bismillah. Here's my original shape. Here's my original shape.
It's right, sir.
You didn't it?
Yeah. And then I just thought of the question.
Okay. This is the rod.
No,
Okay, now watch me now. Watch what we do. Put that on and we turn it around. And Bismillah, and we get exactly that. So we know that point is the center of rotation. Because it does take the original onto the thingy. Harun, are we happy with that? Yeah?
So which
Can you do that again,
line
sir?
for?
Which line?
The one on
The dark red one.
the dark green one.
Okay. The green one.
Yeah, which
The green one was the halfway point of this red line here.
Alright, cool.
So the first set of corresponding points, the green one represents the perpendicular bisector in the midpoint. Okay? And the blue one represents the perpendicular bisector of the red of these two over here. Okay, and then we give a nice, I call this the rod. So we join the center of enlargement to the closest point. G, go on.
Can you just do the tracing part?
Yeah, of course, again.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. So I've traced it now, and I put my pencil on the dot, and I slowly spin with my finger, spin the tracing paper around until it should match up exactly onto there. So we know that that is the correct center, because it does spin from here to there. Okay?
Oh no.
Here comes another one. Hopefully this one should be a bit more easier. Okay, are we ready for this one, folks? Right. The next question that we're looking at is this question here with the two shapes. Right, what I would like you to do now, please, folks, can you join up this point with its corresponding point? Where's its corresponding point?
3, 2.
3, 1.
Oh, that one, yeah.
Yeah? Should we join them up?
That's a straight line. That's what it's been like reflected on.
-4, -2.
Okay, now which of the points should we join up?
-4,
This
The
one?
The inside point.
The inside point, yeah?
Yeah. 0, 1.
It's alright.
-3.
It's alright. Stop.
Okay, what do those 2 points cross?
0, 1.
0, 1.
You reckon that's our center of enlargement?
Yep.
Sorry, center of rotation.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, so if we from that, if you just join the shape from there, then turn all the way around, it gets there with you.
This one's easier though than the
Yeah.
This one's easier.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we say for this one, this shape here? So A to B, we would say first of all, it is a
Rotation.
it is a rotation.
Of 0, like on 0, 1 or something.
This is a rotation. And what angle is it? Do we need to measure the angle?
I'll do it now.
Well, it's gone from straight down to straight up. So it's
80.
180. Rotation 180 degrees. Now, key bit here. For 180 degrees rotation for this particular number, do we need to say clockwise or anti-clockwise?
No.
We don't say any of them.